Feed the billion hungry.
Yurmande, yurmande.
Feed the billion hungry.
Munali balafasu to fuaroliye.
Feed the billion hungry.
Activista is here to fulfill its mission, which is to work with young people across rich and poor countries to ensure a world free from hunger and injustice. Today, we have the Activista Day, and we are to make a 1-minute noise. We should start at 1 o'clock sharp. And we are going to say, we want a hunger-free world at 1 o'clock sharp. We all have to stand up and make sure we all work hard to ensure that there is sustainability and food security. We have few seconds to one, and we want you all to stand by. At any moment from now, we'll start the big noise. We want a hunger-free world. We want a hunger-free world. Want a hunger-free